First thing I did was draw a plan. I had a smaller one in my garden notebook, but I needed a larger one so it'd be easier to plot everything out on. I also got smart with age and made a few copies for the future. Two, then I listed. I made a list of everything I planned to grow this season, marking it for whether it was inside and transplant or a direct sow. Three, seeds. I went through my inventory. There was some in my binder, some I just left in the container like this from when I was done planting last year. I made a list of any that I need, and then I separated what I do have according to when they're planted, inside or outside. Four, the plan. I wrote everything on a calendar, including the reminder of to plot it out on my garden plan I drew. And then I'll know if I need more space at that time for anything, because every year I seem to take up some of my garden space with growing perennial plants, which I love perennial food, so that's fine. But anyways, the plotting activity will be for another winter day. 5. Enjoy. Enjoy the wait. Find a book, magazine, some type of browsing, something that you can take a look at and plan for next year. Maybe give you a little inspiration for something, or you'll find a solution to a problem or something you grew this year. Anyways, my mom gave me this huge book recently, and it will give me a lot to browse through. Anyways, happy winter gardening.